Hello everyone, welcome to Souder Motors. Jay Lapp with you here. Today I've got a nice big residence for you here. This is a 2017 Keystone Residence. As you can see behind me, this is a big trailer. It is a 40 foot. The model number is 40FDEN, so front den. So what we're going to do is take you around the outside here. We're going to open it up and then show you the inside. So let's get to it. Alright, we've got the residence opened up. Take you around the outside real quick, then we'll show you the inside. So over here we got our first slide. This is the living room slash dining room. Slide out, gives you nice big windows, as you can see, so lots of natural light in here. I did mention this is a large trailer. We've got a 40 footer. Gross weight is 13,145 pounds. So the backside here is the bedroom, king bed, and a nice compartment here underneath the bed. As you can see, nice big slides. Got our drains right here, black and the gray. Good tires. Right on those. Got your 50 amp hookup in the back here. Got your stabilizers on all four corners. There's your water hookup, cable hookup. Have dual entrances here. We've got a bedroom entrance as well as a nice sliding door for the living room, dining room area. Power awning, got the LED lights underneath there, outdoor speakers, kitchen window, have an outdoor shower right there, and again, tread on the tires is very good. Nice sliding door. Plenty of room here for a permanent deck to be built on or permanent stairs. So stabilizing jacks there, tanks in the front. Let's take a look inside. Alright, coming up here into the main entrance, right into the living room area. We've got a nice fold-out couch here in the front. Like I said, big windows, ceiling fan, high ceilings in here make it really, really livable. Nice theater seats here, both with reclining legs. Got the cup holder in the middle and the storage. Quick overview, got the dining, got the bedroom in the back, got the kitchen here, bathroom over there. This side, we have the entertainment, as well as the fireplace. Got the DVD, CD player, MP3 player all in there. Radio, Bluetooth. Some bar stools, a lot of counter space. Also have a recliner, very comfortable recliner, and then the table dinette set. So that's all housed in this main large slide. we have the kitchen. Microwave, stove, oven combination. We've got double stainless steel sink here. Got a water dispenser. Retractable faucet. Lots of storage. Doors have metal runners. We have a central vac unit right here. A lot of pantry space in this unit. Got the residential fridge. Got a freezer with an ice maker. More overhead cabinets. Got one air conditioning unit out here. Show you where that control panel is. Control panel, you got your tanks. Got your electric, here's your slide out. Air conditioner out front. Alright, I want to show you how the slide mechanism works here. As you can see, there's only one button for the slides. So that controls both the bedroom slide and the main slide here. So it's on tension. So as we hold it in, the slide with the least tension, which is the bedroom, will come in first. Just keep holding it in. And as the bedroom is done, then we get the main slide here. And just like that, we're done. Here's our bathroom. Nice walkthrough. Have access in the bedroom. Also bedroom access here. Got a beautiful corner shower. A lot of space in here. Got the sliding glass doors. Got a nice fantastic vent here. And that's control right here. GFI outlet, got a nice storage underneath the vanity, as well as medicine cabinet above. Toilets over here. Storage. We've got cabinets above as well. Then we'll move into the bedroom. Master, we've got a king size bed on a slide. So here's that slide out, got some overhead cabinets. Got another air conditioning unit back here. Nice big bed that you can walk around the entire way. Got a nice big wardrobe, drawer, more drawers here, TV hookups here. Sorry about that lighting. Nice big window, a lot of natural light in this. So there's our 2017 Keystone Residence. If you guys have any questions, please give us a call at Southern Motors. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you guys have a great day.